Welcome back, baby. 70 times. And man, I really don't know what rock this is, but anybody knows this is the craziest looking rock. It almost looks like a seashell or a cluster of seashells. It's wild, man, wild. Anyway, let's do it. Day 70, pick and lock, day 3, heart monitor. Oh, this is the lock that I changed the core out of. I took this core out of a Master number 5, which destroyed, and I put it in here so that I could have it match the Master number 5, but I don't even know if I have that Master number 5 anymore. Doesn't matter. Well, try again. Pick it on camera. Doesn't want to pick on camera. It picks off camera. Finally, you fuck.